Hello friends, welcome to Dezinlife. Friends, in this series of pharma prescription analysis, today we are going to discuss about what gynecologists prescribe. And today's analysis is very important in two counts. One is gynecologists along with the consultant physicians, they occupy the second largest universe after the GP. So a big universe of the doctors are the gynecologist in India. So it's a huge number of doctors. And second important of the today's analysis is you are going to get lot of surprise when you see the what gynecologists prescribe. So friends, before proceeding further, we must thanks to SMSRC for giving us data support for carrying out today's analysis. And again I'm mentioning we are talking about today only prescription, that nothing to do with the sales, and we are looking at what is the gynecologist prescribe, what is the percentage of prescription goes to different category of the product. It's a qualitative analysis, friends. So when we think about the gynecologist, normally we think about what is the maximum prescription. We think about maybe hormones, we think about gynecological products, sometimes maybe urological product. But to everybody's surprise, the highest prescription from the gynecologist, they come from the nutraceuticals. Yes, nutraceutical, the prescription is 23.34%. Practically almost 1/4 of the prescription from the gynecologist goes to nutraceutical, and that's growing by the growth rate of 1.90%, which is almost equivalent to that of the industry growth of the prescription. So that's one big takeaway today, the highest prescription from the gynec. When we think about second highest prescription from the gynec, still the hormones or the gynecologicals, urologicals are not coming, but the second highest number of prescription from the gynec, that goes to GI product. Yes, and that GI product again, they are 21.10% with the growth rate of 3.91%, which is very high growth rate when we look at prescription point of view. So again, almost say 20-25% kind of if you combine these two, nutraceutical and GI, they take you to almost 44% or 45% close to number of percentage of prescription goes to nutraceutical and GI, and nowhere we are seeing the coming of the gynec, urological or hormonal products. And friends, third highest prescription from the gynecologist goes to then antibiotics, which is 9.90, although there is marginal degrowth, but it's almost, you can say, stagnancy is there. And then after that, only fourth place, it's coming hormones, which is 9.06%, growing by 3.63%. So when you look at the gynec specialized point of view, that's the first category which is coming as a hormones. It is occupying fourth place and only 9.06%. So that's a lot of surprise in the gynec prescription analysis. Then fifth place comes to pain reliever at 8.66% and growing by 0.82%. Then comes, friends, dermatological products. Still we have not reached to gynecological product or urological product, but before that even coming dermatological products, which means lot of gynec patient which comes to the doctor, they ask for dermatology ailment also, maybe antifungal and all that. And I'm so doubtful whether dermatology coverage are really covering gynecologist, because dermat prescription 4.24% of dermat prescription coming for gynec prescription coming for dermat products, which are growing by 3.83%. Now looking at the big universe of the gynecologists, the 4.24% is a big number, because here we are not talking about a small kind of a universe, maybe whether it's a neurologist or cardiologist or diabetologist. It's a big universe of gynec, and where 4.24% is a big number. It's eye-opener to dermatological companies. And then next place, friends, comes cough and cold products, which is 2.78%, although they are degrowing by 2.42%. Maybe again the gynec patient, they are coming, they may be asking for the associated therapy or associated ailment. And then only it's coming the pure gynec product, which is only 2.64% of gynecologist prescription are the gynecological products, and their growth is only 0.06%. So it's not that they are not prescribing gynecological, but they are prescribing other segment products much more than the gynecological products. And the last in the today's category is coming in urological product. They find place only 2.11%, although they're growing huge growth of 14.42%, but the base is comparatively low. So friend, when you look at the gynecologist, we normally look at, say, they will prescribe hormones, they prescribe gynecological product, they prescribe urological product, but that is not the case. There is many other segment and which are the occupy the prime place in their prescription, whether nutraceutical, GI or the dermatological products and the pain relievers. So it's a big wake up for the industry, whether you leave this prospective market or you go and occupy there, go and talk to gynecologists, promote your product and get the business. So today conclusion, I would like to that associated prescription therapy prescriptions are far better than by mean of volume or by mean of maybe growth is better than the gynecological or the core therapy growth or core therapy prescription, and gynec is a big option for the pharma companies to grab up. And friends, last I would like to suggest, when this kind of data is available, resources are available, expert advice available, let us take informed decisions. Let us make a customized strategy for your company. It's not about what is right, what is wrong, but make a customized strategy, implement it so that you get best of result for your business. I hope this video will be useful to you for the companies who are covering gynecologists or even other companies also who has the product and they can promote it to gynecologists. So friends, thank you very much for watching us today. Thank you.